Namaste, beautiful, beautiful Capricorn souls. I, Rupa Khanal, your medium for tarot guidance, welcome all the beautiful Capricorn souls on my YouTube channel, White Tara Tarot Reading. And as you can see, we are here with the monthly predictions for the month of March 2021. So let us explore your futuristic events which you're going to experience in the month of March, beautiful souls. So I have got 3 cards here. The first energy is that of King of Pentacles. So obviously the month of March is blessing you with the financial stability, right? And you will be advised, you will be taking guidance from someone who is like king to you. It could be a father, it could be a boss, essentially a practical man. And if you are thinking to pass out a loan to buy, purchase a house, a car, or some luxury items, your loans will be passed instantly. And you can also get advantage from group of people who are into farming, right? So this is promising that the month of March will yield you considerable wealth, and you have to understand that your anger could delay things. So you have to have the control over your anger. So that is the energies coming from the King of Pentacles, beautiful souls. And the next energy I have here is the Ten of Wands, which is indicating an end of some cycle and a beginning of a new cycle, right, beautiful souls? So you will be feeling as if right now this could be a feeling like you have been suppressed under heavier duties, and that is bringing in burden to you. You're finding difficulty to complete your tasks, and that could be you're ignoring your health, right? So month of March is the time you have to give priority to your health. You have to keep your health in your priority list, right? And you have to get involved into creative activities so that you can stay away from anxiety, beautiful souls. So some obligations have to go, and what are those obligations, you know very well. So beautiful souls, take care of your health in the month of March so that you won't feel any kind of heaviness in your body or in your mind. So that is the message coming from Ten of Wands. And the last energy I have here is the 11, right? So no need to worry. All your stress, all your heaviness, all your burden will be taken care of. And if you're thinking that things are not in your favor, Justice card has come up to show you that justice is going to happen. And this is the card from the Major Arcana, card number 11. So this is all about judgment, right? So judgment is coming in your favor. So good news is on its way in the month of March, beautiful souls. And this is bringing you success in legal affairs. And you can also sign some new contracts, right? So the month of March is promising harmony and a good business startup or a proposal. So this month of March is the time to right everything which has gone wrong, right? So have faith, beautiful souls. Month of March is bringing new success, new business, new contracts, new proposals, and this is the time righting the wrong, right? So what is the mantra for you, the beautiful Capricorns, for the month of March is the generosity, right? Be generous through helping, through giving, because the happiness, the contentment in giving away is divine. You cannot express in words. So beautiful souls, get connected with some generous activities in the month of March. Definitely you will get opportunities to get connected with some generous deeds, some generous activities. It could be charity, it could be a speech, it could be something you do to help and uplift the mankind. So month of March is overall for the beautiful Capricorns is going to be a nice month, because right now you're feeling burdened. So yes, you will get good advices from very influential people, and you will be able to come out of your burden, work burden, anxiety. Justice is coming your way, promising success, prosperity, new ventures, new proposals, right? So beautiful Capricorn souls, with the blessings of your guardian angel, Archangel Azrael, you have so much to utilize in the month of March. So with that, we come to an end with today's predictions, March 2021, for the beautiful Capricorns. Until next time, take good care of yourself, beautiful souls, with lots of blessings from Goddess White Tara and your medium for tarot guidance, Rupa Kanal. Astu, Namaste.